Hello, this is Kelly Allen. I'm going to spend a few minutes discussing wills, specifically with what's called a supplemental needs trust provision. Now, most people are probably not familiar with that concept. Everybody knows about the importance of having a will that's going to determine how your property is going to be divided after your death. But it's very crucial to include the supplemental needs trust provision as a protection for your beneficiary. The reason why is you never know at the time of your death if any of your beneficiaries might be receiving any sort of government assistance, such as SSI, disability, Medicaid, any of those governmental benefits that are based on someone's income and assets. And what you could run into is actually creating problems for your beneficiaries because they're inheriting from you. So let's say you have a will and your daughter is one of your beneficiaries, but something has happened and she's receiving disability benefits. Well, inheriting from you could actually cause her to lose her disability benefits. And that can be avoided by including a supplemental needs trust provision in the will. And all that does is says that if at the time of my death, any of my beneficiaries meet the definition of a supplemental needs person, meaning they are receiving some sort of benefit from the government, and inheriting would cause them to be disqualified or cause a reduction in their benefits, then your executor is directed to create a supplemental needs trust, and whatever that person would have inherited goes into that trust to be used for their benefit. Doing so will protect whatever government benefit, disability, Medicaid, that they're already receiving. So they get the benefit of both. So we always use this in cases where we're applying for long-term Medicaid for a spouse, because we've done a lot of work to get everything out of the Medicaid beneficiary's name to get them qualified for Medicaid. And if the healthy spouse were unexpectedly to die before the Medicaid beneficiary, then you would wind up having the Medicaid spouse inheriting, undo all the work that we did, and disqualify him or her from the Medicaid benefits. So this is a very typical situation for using the will with the supplemental needs trust provision, but it's really applicable to everyone because it's designed as a protection for all of your beneficiaries, not knowing if this might apply to them after you pass away.